So to do a drawback, it involves 3 sounds. Step with the ball of your foot down, and as you step down, pick up the opposite toes, and then when they're lifted, do a brush, and now drop the heel. So it's a series of 3 sounds. 1, 2, 3. And if we do a slow version like this, we do 1 and 2. And I'll do the same thing on the other foot. So now put the left ball of the foot down, right toes come up, brush, and lower. So we'll do 2 in a row with this slow beat pattern. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. We can also do a faster version, which just means we don't stop in between each drawback. We keep it going in a roll like this. So let's try it together. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4. The next step I'm going to teach you is called a paddle, and it looks like this. Dig, brush, toe, heel, dig, brush, toe, heel. So something important to learn now is that when you do the dig, you don't have to reach clear to the heel edge. That's going above and beyond what's necessary. Do your heel dig flat like this. So you hit flat, you brush back, put the ball of the foot down, drop the heel, and your weight should be free from the other side to do dig, brush, ball, and heel. Okay, so let's try a few back to back. We'll do 4, 5, 6, right foot, ready, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and. Now you can take the paddle and make a paddle and roll, which looks like this. So that roll is just a series of heel drops, and they follow after 3 paddles. So we start with our right foot. 1, 2, 3, and here's the roll. Heel, 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 heel. So we ended with our right heel. So the left heel will start the roll. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then the whole pattern starts on the other side. So now do paddles starting left foot. 1, 2, 3, and roll 2, 3, 4. And as you practice this more and it becomes more fluid, you can do it faster like this.